Are we on the right track to make ourselves millionaires, or better yet, multi-millionaires? Well, I have to agree with crypto.com on this one. One is coming, but not only one, two, three, four, 10 plus cryptos that you've been buying, the fear and the FUD and the hate and the struggle. And it's going to come our time, guys. By the end of this video, are we on the right track of history, on the right track of our positions? Cryptosaurus says, yes, we are. And even people say we are on the effing good track. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Oscar here. Happy Sunday. For a lot of people, they see the market right now and they already given up, bored, concerned, struggling, hating, everything. And we are obviously taking those hits because we are people that everybody can see and right. Who to hate? The influencers who never shut up. Okay. As a content creator, guys, I tell myself, and I use this every single video that I make to reinforce a message, which is this technology is not being adopted by the world yet. Similar that the way I speak about XRP Ripple and the way I compare that to early Microsoft, early Apple, early Nvidia. Are you going to judge a product because of its early stage in life? You're doing a disservice to yourself, and only a few people have the knowledge and the acumen to understand that, right? So it's up to you guys who are watching this video. This is an urgent message for all my crypto investors. Do not quit. Because as you can tell on the screen, this is a psychology way of the market. You've seen that already, the psychology stages, right? The euphoria, the collapse, the struggle, the despair, they call it. This is another way to see it. If I open up my Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, you're going to see that it's fear. I don't have to open it. I already know. But we are in an accumulation phase since 2023. And I have to agree, like since 2023, it's been a small rise, an uptrend. But we come to a point that we just cannot pass. And let me go ahead and open up this one. We just cannot pass 60. We just cannot pass 70 again, right? It's been a while. The last time was July. So it's now been about 2 to 3 weeks. Then if you take a look at this, guys, let's go ahead and go to the daily so it's a little bit better. We have three-month highs of 70, 70, 70, as you can tell, and 2 lows, 56, 49. It's super cool here on the indicator. This is the Bitcoin halving. And based on my machine learning prediction, it seems that we are going to be looking at much higher prices soon. So with that, I tell you, better be ready for some trading fun because it's coming. Now, this is another one from Cryptosaurus that I think you should look at. And this is obviously the halving period. This is another good one that I'm going to say for me personally. What do we see? That the top bullish is coming, that the top bullish is coming. This was 2021, and the top bullish is coming, which is going to be in 2025. You have to be buying cryptos when it doesn't make sense and when there's massive crashes. Do what you want, not financial advice. I heavily recommend, guys, using Margex because on this one, it's going to really give you the opportunity to trade futures up to 100x leverage. You're going to find the link down below, guys. Very excited to share with you this opportunity because they make crypto easy. There's no KYC, and it's really good. Just on your phone, boom. Sign up, deposit, and trade guide with Margex. You're really going to like it. I'm telling you guys, it really helps. And I've seen 80 plus of you already using my link, so appreciate that a lot. You're putting yourself in a good position trading, and obviously watch out with being liquidated. Why that happens? Because oftentimes we have major crashes, and that doesn't suit what you're planning. For example, this one was the crash of the recession fears, and many longs were liquidated. This one was the uptrend, right, for the end of July, and many shorts were liquidated. It always happens, right? Now, where do you see the price of crypto going and heading right now? Well, I see it going higher. And there's a big chance that we go and reach once again the 63,000 plus as we're starting a brand new week, guys. So we should be ready for the trend. Now, I'm going to use the weekly right here to show you a few things. This is a price channel that we've been using since October 2022. It's crazy, guys, how things have changed. I'm going to kind of hide the indicator just for a little bit, all my drawings. Just wanted to see that. Do you notice something? We have gone into a consolidation periods from March 2023 all the way to October 2023. And then rise, then consolidation from December to February. Then rise, consolidation from March to July. What do you think is going to happen, guys, eventually once we start Q4 2024, the mega rise, the bull market? Now, on this one, in the weekly, using my indicator, actually, I can totally see how back in 2021, we were absolutely sending and way past my buy zone. It was a bubble basically right here. This is my neo cloud, and this is my selling zone. Well, buying zone, selling zone, right? But this is when it's all oversold right here on the red. When that was the time was 2022, the bear market, when prices were collapsing at $15,000. It was really, really, really bad. Okay. Now, ever since that happened, we have gone past that. The neo cloud has turned bullish, and now we are kind of like going through that wave of pushing the top. But the thing is, this is no longer this mega rise, and we're no longer extremely overbought. What it means is that this from crypto.com is going to be coming and eventually will correct. So you're finally going to see mega pumps, and this zone, the green one, is going to correct itself. What I'm saying is we haven't seen that major explosion yet. We haven't seen the euphoria, the FOMO. That's what's coming, guys. That's what's coming. It is pretty easy to see, guys, how after the halving consolidation that it takes a while, you explode. And we are taking a while before we explode. So you are the ones who are looking ahead at a good opportunity. There's obviously going to be reasons why we might go down. We have talked about those in previous videos. War, recession, the recession fears, inflation fears as well. We have the election, right? Things not going our way when it comes to the FOMC. But after everything that has transpired, we're going to get a cut. There's a new president coming in. There's a chance it's going to be Donald Trump. There's a chance if he gets elected, things could get a little bit more easy, and kind of we lower the temperature. If that's the case, that chart is going to explode, baby explode. So I'm really excited to see what's next. I wanted to tell you this one, guys. Take a look at the links down below. Join the communities, use Margex, and get all those signed up bonuses that you see in the description down below. I feel good about it. I keep buying. All my private, group on Patreon and Discord know exactly what I have. So I really appreciate you guys for stopping by. We're bullish, man. Let's go. Peace.